And what about you, Kimmy? How many classes are you taking?
You asking me?
Yes, how many classes are you taking?
I have three also. Yeah, I have this
Three.
class and then an accounting class, and then what is it? I don't know, another class, another math class type class. Economics. Yeah.
I took one accounting class last semester. It was fine. Okay. How are you, Sean?
I'm very well, thank you. A little busy, but that's the way life goes.
That's a good part of life, to be busy. Okay.
Did we lose you, Kevin?
I think you froze up again there a little bit.
Oh no. See if he comes back.
So on your end, does my stuff come through glitchy, or is it fairly clear? We've been talking about getting a new router. We've been having a few issues with it.
It's not too bad. I mean, every once in a while, it goes just a little bit slow, but I can see it pretty good. What about me? Do I ever jump around like that?
Sometimes you get a little grainy, but not too bad.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, I lost Kevin.
Get him back here again here in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, so I will have to say this semester, having due dates on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then again on Saturday, I don't feel like I've had enough time to actually comprehend the way that I did, study and comprehend. I feel like all I'm doing is studying just to find answers.
Right. I kind of feel the same way. It's like you're just doing it, and then as far as being able to retain it and whatnot,
a lot of
difficult.
reviewing my notes. A lot of them.
Yeah. He's trying to come back.
Yep. You're in and out, Kevin. Yep. I guess I'll figure it out here come next test time.
I know, that's what I'm worried about when the test comes up, because that's next week, right?
Yep. Study for the business class that I'm taking in our practice rounds, running their computer simulation. The practice round, I thought I did really well. And then we did another practice round where all of the students were going to be compared to each other. And I completely and totally bombed that one. And then we have another practice round where we work together as a group. So it starts next week. See how that goes.
What is that called? What is the
Business 211? Yeah, CAPSIM.
Okay, I did that last semester.
How'd that turn out for you?
It was all right. I enjoyed it. It was, I don't know, it was a little difficult with my group because I don't think they understood a lot of the stuff. And I mean, there was stuff that I didn't understand also, but I don't know, I felt like I had a grasp on it better than they did. And so it was hard working with the group. I think was the hardest part for me. Yeah. I enjoyed it though. I thought it was fun. I kind of liked the CAPSIM, and
Well, I'm hoping it'll pick up. I mean, I recognize and realize a few of the mistakes I made this last round, so hopefully I'll be able to apply some of that. You know, it's just simple mistakes on my part, and run a scenario, and it tells you you're projected to have like 17 million or $1 billion or whatever the heck the numbers end up being.
Right.
And then you hit submit, and it comes back, and I don't know what changed, but I have nothing. But anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Can hear you now.
Yeah, you're doing better. You're still a little jumpy.
And it's my concern. It's because we have a windy day today.
Okay.
Oh, no.
No, it looks good. Sorry about it.
It's all right.
Okay. Okay, so whenever you're ready.
Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into it before we lose you again.
All right.
Okay.
And so for this week, we had lesson 7.
Yep.
Starting with part 2.
Yep.
Okay, so then let's start with number 4. It says, suppose peer computing sold an average of 45 p-phones per minute in 2011. And it says with a standard deviation of 10, and they look at their p-phone sales data and determine that they are normally distributed. So question number 4 says samples of size n equal 4 are taken from the normally distributed 2011 sales data. So it says, what is the shape of the distribution?
In this case, the parent one is normal, so this one should be normal also.
Correct. Yes, that's true. So who wants to read number 5?
I'll get it. Samples of size n equals 40 are taken from the normally distributed 2011 sales data. What is the shape of the distribution of X?
It's normal.
Yeah, so that one's actually got both, because the parent one is normal and also the sample size is large.
Right.
Correct.
6 says a sample size of 4 is taken from the normally distributed sales data. What is the probability that the observed sample mean will be greater than 40? And so that's the formula. It threw me for a loop because I had to remember to do the square root of the sample size to find the z-score, because I was calculating it without twice and then just wasn't working. So when you run that calculation, I ended up with the probability was 0.1587, or about 16%.
Correct.
Yep, that's what I got.
That's what I got as well. Okay, so then number 7 says a sample of size 4 is taken from the normally distributed 2011 sales data. Where is the probability that the observed probability is greater than 35 and less than 55? For this one, I got 0.9545.
That's what I got also.
Yep.
And with these, I was just plugging them into the applet. Is that what we're supposed to do, or are we supposed to kind of figure it out and subtract from one and do all that? I just found it easier to do it in the applet.
That was my from the homework, is that the instructions is you're supposed to use the applet.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. All right, so we're on 8. Sample of size 25 is taken from the normally distributed 2011 sales data. What is the probability that it's greater than 41 and less than 49? And so that one I got also the 0.955.
Likewise.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, so question